What are you doing? Let's go to sleep. Come on. Sleep. You gonna go to bed? Are you gonna go to bed?
If he got out of the bed, doing some.
Do you want a spanking? No. Do you want a spanking? Are you Yeah. What are you doing, huh? You're not going to sleep. What's up with your tongue? You can go into your crib?
Okay, все.
So.
Andrew, спать. Stop it.
Go to sleep.